Italy, gelato. Gelato has a long history dating back to ancient Rome and Egypt, where frozen desserts were made from snow and ice brought down from mountaintops and preserved below ground. The modern version of gelato emerged during the Renaissance in Italy. Gelato is a dense, creamy Italian ice cream made with a higher proportion of milk and less cream and eggs. The most famous flavor is pistachio, known for its rich, nutty taste. The best place to enjoy gelato is in Florence, at Gelateria dei Neri. France, Crème Glacée. Crème Glacée, or French ice cream, has its roots in the 17th century when it was served in the royal courts of France. The first French recipe for ice cream appeared in the book Cuisinier Royal et Bourgeois in 1691. French ice cream is rich and custard-based, made with a high percentage of cream and eggs. The most famous flavor is vanilla bean, celebrated for its smooth, velvety texture. The best place to enjoy this treat is in Paris, at Berthillon. Spain, Helado. Helado, Spanish ice cream, dates back to the Moors who introduced the concept of ice desserts to Spain in the Middle Ages. The modern Spanish Helado has evolved to include unique regional flavors and a creamy texture. The most famous flavor is Turin, a sweet nougat treat. Valencia is the best place to savor Helado, especially at Helados Neris.
Belgian, Speculoos ice cream.
Speculoos ice cream is made with Speculoos cookies, spiced short-crust biscuits traditionally baked for St. Nicholas Day in Belgium and the Netherlands. The cookies date back to at least the 17th century. The most famous flavor is Speculoos, known for its rich, caramelized taste. Brussels is the best place to enjoy this ice cream. Germany, Spaghetti eyes. Spaghetti eyes is a novelty German ice cream dish resembling a plate of spaghetti. Vanilla ice cream is used as the base, extruded to look like spaghetti noodles, topped with strawberry sauce and white chocolate shavings. The best place to enjoy spaghetti eyes is in Mannheim, at Venezia Eis Cafe.